Welcome to our exciting alphabet adventure. Today, we're going to explore each letter of the alphabet, and every letter has its very own special word to help you remember it. Let's dive in and discover the fun world of letters and words together. A for apple. Apples are fruits that children love to eat. They are sweet and delicious, and you can even make a very sweet jam from them. Apples come in different colors, but the most common ones are red and dark yellow. B for banana. Bananas are also a favorite among children. They are bright yellow and easy to peel. Bananas are soft, sweet, and perfect for a quick snack. C for car. Cars are vehicles that help people travel from one place to another. They come in many colors and sizes. Children love playing with toy cars. D for dog. Dogs are friendly and loyal pets. They come in different sizes and colors. Many children love to have a dog as their furry friend. E for elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals with long trunks. They are gray and have big ears. Elephants are very strong and can carry heavy loads. F for fish. Fish live in water and come in many bright colors. They swim gracefully and are fun to watch in aquariums. Children often enjoy watching fish move in water. G for grape. Grapes are small, juicy fruits that children love to eat. They come in bunches and can be purple or green. Grapes can be eaten fresh or dried into raisins. H for hat. Hats are worn on the head and come in different shapes and colors. They can be used to protect from the sun or just as a fun accessory. I for ice. Ice is cold and made of frozen water. It is transparent or white. Children love ice in their drinks, especially on a hot day. J for jelly. Jelly is a sweet treat that wobbles when you shake it. It comes in many fruity flavors and bright colors. Children love eating jelly because it's both tasty and fun. K for kite. Kites are flown in the sky, and they come in many bright colors. Children love to fly kites on windy days and watch them soar high. L for lion. Lions are big cats known as the king of the jungle. They have a golden mane and a powerful roar. Children are often fascinated by lions. M for moon. The moon shines in the night sky and is white or gray. Children love looking at the moon before bedtime and learning about space. N for nest. Nests are homes made by birds using twigs and leaves. They are usually brown and found in trees. Children learn that nests are where birds lay their eggs. O for orange. Oranges are juicy fruits with a bright orange color. They are full of vitamin C and have a refreshing taste. Children love eating oranges or drinking orange juice. P for panda. Pandas are adorable animals with black and white fur. They love eating bamboo and are very gentle. Children find pandas very cute. Q for queen. A queen is a woman who rules a country. She wears a crown and beautiful dresses. Children often hear stories about queens in fairy tales. R for rose. Roses are beautiful flowers that come in many colors like red, pink, and white. They have a lovely fragrance and are often given as gifts. S for sun. The sun is a big ball of fire in the sky that gives us light and warmth. It is usually yellow or orange in color. Children learn that the sun helps plants grow. T for tree. Trees have green leaves and brown trunks. They provide shade, fruits, and oxygen. Children love to climb trees and play around them. U for unicorn. Unicorns are magical creatures with a single horn on their head. They are often shown with white or rainbow colors. Children love stories about unicorns. V for violin. The violin is a musical instrument with strings that you play with a bow. It is usually brown and black. Children love the sweet sounds that come from a violin. W for window. Windows are openings in walls that let light into a room. They have clear glass and can be opened to let in fresh air. Children love looking outside through windows. X for xylophone. The xylophone is a musical instrument with colorful bars that you hit with mallets. Each bar makes a different sound. Children enjoy playing the xylophone and making music. Y for yak. Yaks are large, furry animals that live in cold regions. They have thick black or brown fur to keep them warm. Children learn about yaks in stories about the mountains. Z for zebra. Zebras are animals with black and white stripes. They look like horses and live in the wild. Children find zebras fascinating because of their unique stripes. Fantastic job, everyone! You've learned all the letters of the alphabet and their special words. Keep practicing and exploring to make learning even more fun. Don't forget to join us next time for more exciting adventures. Bye for now, and keep shining bright!